Behind this door is the most exciting thing for me lately. Welcome to our attic makeover. Oh my goodness, so in today's video we're going to show you the whole process of how we went from this teeny tiny little hole with no light, couldn't even really walk around in there, to what I like to call my own home decor store now. It's going to be so fun for future videos when I want to shop my own house, to be able to just go in there, get what I'm looking for. I'm so excited. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. Definitely like this video. And real quick before we jump into it and I show you the whole process, look at this adorable shirt. These dropped on my website today. I have several different options for just shirts that show positivity and kindness. You know we are all about that on this channel. So I'll link it in the description below, or you can check it out at acharmingabode.com. And don't forget to sign up for emails, because everyone on the email list is always the first to know what is going on. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, because they're probably the second to know what's going on. Okay, enough of all that. Go order a shirt. Definitely subscribe. Let's go. Okay, here's a look at the closet. So this is my office, and this is the closet, and this is how you get into the attic. And this is how we have been getting into this attic for 17 years. Oh, that's epic. Hi! That's pretty epic. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, wow. This is awesome! Behind this door is one scary room. So, why don't you tell them what you're about to do?
We're gonna take up this subflooring because it's so piecemeal and poorly done. And then I'm going...
Yeah, I've fallen through here.
And then I'm going to put down new subflooring all the way back so it's seamless. And then I'm gonna put in new lights so we have good visibility in here.
Yeah, because it's really big up in here. Shine the light up there. We actually have a second attic that's up over there. It's just crazy. And so this is gonna look gorgeous. So this is stuff that belongs in the attic that has all been pulled out. This is all Christmas decor that I'm gonna go through and get it nice and organized and put away. And then let's go downstairs and I'm gonna show you what I'm doing down there. Okay. So I'm a huge believer in the whole Marie Kondo way to organize. And so I think about, like, does this bring me joy? Do I actually use this? So this stuff over here, so far this is all going to the Salvation Army. I'm excited because I'm getting lots of empty totes. These are little keepsake boxes that I'm making up for my girls of their stuff. I have lots of books left to go through. And then in here, the majority of this, oh, you don't even want to know what I found in him. So gross. This is all trash. And so, yeah, so we're getting it organized. These two totes are my daughter's. And so I can't wait to just get this all done. I found the best thing in the attic. I was looking everywhere for this. This is my baby picture. It's the only, like, baby picture that I have. Oh my goodness, I have, like, the best pictures in the attic. I'm gonna get them out and put them in frames. Look at my cute little girls. Aww. So many fun pictures in here. Look at this is Michaela. Look at Kelsey. I found some awesome stuff in the attic for my grandson. He's gonna get like a jungle theme room because they're gonna change his room over to like a big boy room, and I'm like, yes. So we got our tiger and this little monkey. Aw, I think he'll like that. And they were his mama's.
You're not gonna get to see me put it down because I'm not ready, so.
Oh, okay. Why don't tell them why we're cutting them in half?
Cutting them in half because they're too big to carry up the stairs.
Yeah.
We carried that piece that Leslie's standing on, and it was murder. So
Yeah.
I'm cutting them in half and measuring out so they go on centers on the joist because that's just too much.
Yeah. Look at that. All right, now it's such a pain because you have to cut around these.
Yep.
But this is looking so good. Okay, so we're getting ready to put the lights in, and I thought I'd have Jason explain what he's doing.
This is what you call Midwest engineering. So I've got some LED light strips I bought on Amazon. These are 8 foot long, and I've got another set that are 4 feet long. So what I have done is I've got a 8-foot section here, and you might think to yourself, why the heck is that not pointing down? The answer to your question, riddle me this, Batman, is over here we're going to have storage things for all these storage containers, and my theory is that the light will blow this way, that direction, so it's not in your eyes but actually creating a very penetrating cascade light that's devoid of shadows. Nobody wants to be crawling around the shadows. Back into that area.
Yes.
And then here where you see my ladder,
Yes.
I have got a 4-foot LED light strip that I've already mounted up here, which is almost impossible to see.
I'm never gonna be able to see
Hang
on
on,
this stuff.
there we go.
Yes.
There's a 4-foot light up there that I've already got.
Yes.
And then up here, there's going to be 2 8-foot sections here, so that'll blow light down in this area. And then I'll have the 8-foot piece here, there, and the 4 piece up there. And then there will be shelving built all around here to accommodate all of the stuffs.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Good luck.
And
my
I'll be
friend.
swapping out that light, which has been jankety jank run for.
The one and only light.
I'm gonna put a light switch in, cut a hole so that Leslie can turn the light on from the closet, and then that'll just be the hot line for flipping on the power, and all the light will come on and off from the switch.
Okay. All right. Hi. So this is gonna be really awesome. So he just put these boards in here. He's making me shelves for all my totes to go back up underneath there. And we think we got a way for it to all like stack nicely. I'm pretty excited, and I love that we got all the lights in here. Although I think we're putting one more over there.
We are.
Yeah, but we got a lot of stuff. But this is gonna be fantastic.
That's the whole point of the organization.
Exactly. You guys are gonna be wowed and amazed at how good this room looks.
Wowed and amazed.
That looks good. I really like it. Adds so much storage, right?
Mm-hmm.
Look at all these shelves. While he finishes the last of the shelves over here, I'm gonna go start getting all the totes organized. So this room is completely full of Christmas stuff that goes in the attic, and I have this goal of being able to put everything in these clear tubs that I ordered so I can see them and everything like that. This is gonna take a lot of organizing, but I'm gonna get this done today. Shelves are all done. Time for me to junk it up in here. This side is all gonna be Christmas, I think. And then I gotta get that done. But that's not gonna be as hard because we have a different idea for over there. But, oh yeah, let's organize this. Look how handy this is. I love it. I have 14 tubs right here. This is so fantastic. Okay. I need Jason's muscles. Ugh. Another day means another day in the attic. We're putting up some pegboards back here.
And another light.
Oh, and I forgot. Yes, one more light. So we have a little bit more light over in that corner. Is that what you're working on right now?
Yep.
Nice. This is gonna be great. We're actually so close to being done. It just doesn't feel like it, but it really is. You wanna know a secret, JJ? Those, I almost threw those boards away. Those little ones right there that you hooked up there.
You would have not gotten any more light after that.
Yeah, I was like, I just threw that away. I don't think he needs that. Oh, look at that. Wow. That's just crazy.
But there'd be light.
This room was so dark before. That's just fantastic. Love it.
That's a lot of light.
That is. This is gonna be fantastic to like hang my photos on and stuff like that. So we gotta finish these two. It looks like you put this one over here. So that'll be nice. Okay, just me tripping over everything. Sweet. I'm gonna get these shelves put together and we're gonna get this side of the attic organized and we're gonna be done. Yay! Okay, I have to wear my coat in here, it's so cold. Okay, and then when I go out there to get stuff, I'm like sweating my brains out. But anyway, I got my two little shelves together here, and I went and I bought a bunch of little things to put onto the pegboard so I can like start to hang my stuff up like I did this sign. I don't even know if that's staying there. I just wanted to make sure it worked. And so now I'm gonna start to organize this side, and I'm just so excited because I'm almost done. And I feel like I've been working on this attic for months. All right, let's do this. Sweet! Oh boy, I love this. I keep acting like the pictures need to hang straight, like I'm like hanging them out. I'm like, okay, Leslie, no one can see this. This is fantastic. Originally, I was only gonna hang one wreath per thing, and then I was like, that's just silly. When I knew I could fit a few on there, so that way I can have more room for more purchases later. I have this fall garland that I love, and it's super delicate, and I never had anywhere to store it. I always put it on my mantle in the fall. Let's see if this will work. Okay. Fantastic! That's my word of the video, fantastic. Okay, last minute design plan. I've decided to put one more shelf over here just so I'll have extra storage. And I got the big guy helping. Love having that extra space. Few little last minute touches and we're done. All right, final product. My goodness gracious. Look at all this space and organization. Holy cow. I love it. I feel like I have my own craft booth. My shelves, all my storage totes. I put in this extra shelf to have room to grow. But this room is crazy big. I love it. I love having all my wreaths hung up. So now I can just get them out. I wish I could get rid of this vent return, but I can't. Since we didn't actually finish the attic, I have to leave that there. This is so fantastic. I just can't get over how much storage. And then this little guy, he's gonna watch over the place. The only thing I'm disappointed about in here is that I didn't get to make labels for these, but I'm going to. But if you follow me over on Instagram, then you know that my Cricut died. And so this was so fun. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next video.